But the roof has now. Alright, what up, you look better?
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Whip Boss. I know today me and Johnny do for J-Bud. And today we're gonna do something like full up the tank to make running water, running a bathroom, shower head of water, kitchen of water. So you know, so I plumbing work that complete and things. So I just want to stay tuned and just watch the video, you know, I'm out. Yeah, please. Today we are going to take some water for one J-Bud. J-Bud is here, so we are going water blowing at tank. So I look up here. I think both of us take a chuck off, you know?
But people, you know, sir, headway you have to do it. Not footway, headway you have to do it. Can't say you feel like take a chuck off, you see me?
Yeah.
Well, it's a second tank of loading water now, you know? Yeah? Yeah?
I just want the tank go down the hill with me and little water. By the hillside. So them all hills stay down there.
Yeah.
On the camera.
Yeah? And see, Maki that down there so for the chuck. Yeah, I go and doing thing and pump up water. Right? And this is the tank we just done full of oil, feeds and thing, you see it? And load up. I do a little plumbing work on this. Same way this morning so that Maki could have get it fully up and running. See it? Line up it. And this morning we do all of that. Come back from the brother here again. In turn fireman, you see me? Yeah, in turn fireman. In turn fireman, you see it? But Maki need to throw something in the water where the fireman then use. Because source of water can't use out the fire, then throw one chemical in it. Yeah man, up.
Maki, me a fireman, you know?
Is it?
So here people, we are going to full up the tank to J-Bud that the water can come in at the bathroom. Because I'm at right now, no pay now run until you find out the bathroom of water in that run. Shower run, tile it a flush. You know where you go? So we have to ensure the tank is full up.
Yeah, that is it.
No time me and Johnny they are as usual. So. And me done me a cut 2 banana for you, you know.
Yeah man.
What go on with the breadfruit here?
Why, the breadfruit there? Why?
You ready or not ready?
No, you're not ready. You're not ready. You're not ready. The breadfruit there already. Still.
Mango done up there, sir?
Mango done. I lime up there. I lime up there. I pick off and third lime yesterday. I lime up there. So the man done a one piece of fireman. I wonder when he get to work.
Jack a fall straight,
Yeah,
man. A fireman there, man.
I keep it on, brother.
Yeah, man. You can't tap here now, Johnny. You make a video of the banana, there are 2 banana straight. And that's what I see YouTube back one. Jap. You know Jap? Alright, my side, I don't care if you why I'm there. Come on, so there. I go and pull up the tank of the J-Bud so we can get the fish. Bathroom. Why I'm there, oh, nice guy, so I go and so we want to test up the bathroom and thing. There, I see me with them bread. Bread.
Yesterday, brother, work.
Water, go on. Right now there, you know. baker backyard, you know. So I look for one banana if you go eat and thing. So let's see if we can find a small one in my baker place. Jelly there too. Small eating banana. Do you about for the banana this? On the property. Tank full up. Just one little thing left. So you know?
Come on, set up already, you know.
Everything?
No, man, say count
You
time.
must go to the water and I place here. Watch what water.
What? Where see?
Water. I'm just full of it up, man. Man, water. You're washing your hair, man.
Yo, when you want to come back again?
Full of water up here in the people. You see what water? Go on, up.
That's
why you sit up. About two go. Press about two then.
Yes, sir.
Press about two times. That is. Press two.
Press it 2 times.
Yeah.
1, 2.
So put up water in the kitchen, people, as you can see. So you can't complain. When I tell you I complain, say boy, boss get this plumber man here and then gone and you see what go have good things happen to those who
Wait.
good thing. Turn on that by Johnny. Turn on that by Johnny, boss.
Yes, you know.
Any
angle you want to hook it up.
Alright, so right now you see the pressure of that now, you know, say I tank. So
So
that was so water in the house.
Water there, you know?
1 G about panny up.
Alright.
Upon the pressure of this now, but I just pull out the washer and thing. Look how the water flow way better. But I don't know anymore.
I'm gonna come out here. I'm look on top in the shower, so we should have look for it.
Alright, plumber.
One plumber, J but say better you know, give nobody work and take it, you know. Turn on the without it, but and see pressure. Eh? But say I pull off a bigger head, you want a bigger head.
What's that run?
I said pressure. Said pressure. Man, you go in that big stuff later to circulate, you know.
Alright, we just want to flex source now.
Next video, I will see. I will here, see, I will see tile off. So look forward for that video there. Tile off with some stone tile. Yeah, man, so that will be the next video. You will be seeing some more. And the back porch, now the box there. Socks place. We can't find it up here. So right now,
Watch me.
we have to see the pipe, to see what I want. See if I get the water in the shower. Like water come and shower.
Yeah, shower that.
Shower people a little bit.
Come.
Wow. What boy been getting beard? You're lucky you have back Johnny, man.
See? But you can't see now.
Alright, where look, you look better?
Right now.
Video dongness now.
I may have to get it started right now.
When I know that disapparated.
Water running up
See?
here.
Come across here.
Why one up this now?
Shower. You understand?
Make it shower be up there. You can't turn to the top, you can't turn.
Yeah, man.
The head can't turn like so and so.
Yeah, that's the more what you want.
Tighten, so I tighten up, put a little around.
Yeah. Kind of leads up to that.
Alright, so the boss can't hold a beer there, you know.
Yeah, man.
The man don't know what to like a pump.
Watch this.
You go see what I want to face here. What?
Base now, go on.
So the boss have water here now, dust. If you do a clean up the place you know, and grow him out. And I'm out. All that little thing I left to screw up on the wall.
Pull up and clean out. See? I hold it for curve, maybe.
I try to burn out them hole here for this because so you bolt down this pan the top.
That's why I have to boring.
Yeah man, just love how J-Bud can have water in my house, you know, in the kitchen everywhere and feel good. Yeah, man.
You carry that full up. Yeah, I'm going to slip back. That's the end of the line. You know, you slip back and go like that, right?
That full up your bud. That full up your.
So to boom to down, man.
So watch the video come this far. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe if you haven't as yet. So boy with boss and I'm out.